Indigo Fitness, the UK's largest design and manufacturing company of commercial strength and conditioning equipment.
To put it simply, at Indigo Fitness we create training spaces.
We do anything from like smaller home gyms all the way up to Premiership football clubs.
What we like to do at Indigo Fitness is try and get a full appreciation of what the customer's looking for, because we can make a tailored solution for them.
With customisation for any kind of project we have going on, we can do anything from different upholstery, colours, paintwork, even down to the steelwork itself can be customised.
We've all trained in those environments, we've all supplied those environments. It's that knowledge and combination that we have that really sets us apart from everyone else.
We'll advise on all aspects of equipment throughout the gym, including the flooring, which is often an aspect that's overlooked during the gym design phase. We can then manufacture the equipment, which is quite often a bespoke design for that particular customer or their particular training space. We assemble all our equipment before it actually goes to the customer, so we can be confident that everything's 100% correct. And then we'll go and do the complete install. So it really is the full end-to-end solution from their initial idea right through to the final fit out.
We encourage our customers to come and see a full production process right through to our showroom where they can come and have a workout.
So the raised product range, it really allows us to offer that full product range to the customer. We've got the flooring, we've got the large manufactured items, and now we've got the small equipment as well.
What sets Indigo apart from our competitors is our scale and our capacity. We've been continuously designing and manufacturing fitness or strength and conditioning equipment for over 30 years.
We create training spaces.
We are Indigo Fitness.